Think you know Bristol? Think again. Today I'm taking you beyond the usual tourist spots to explore 5 unusual things to do in my incredible hometown. Number 1. I'm standing in the Mirror Maze at the University of Bristol. Because nothing says serious academic institution like a maze. This art installation is called Follow Me, and the 76 vertical stainless steel plates are found in Royal Fort Garden, a Grade 1 listed garden which is also worth a visit. Although a modern structure, it was erected in 2009 to mark the centenary of the university receiving its charter. While it's part of the university, it is free to visit and is open to the public. It's pretty. It warps its surroundings, and let's face it, it's a great spot for a selfie. Number 2, and just around the corner is Palm Temple. This work of art is by Jerram. You know, the guy responsible for the inflatable moon and Earth popping up across the city. It is located outside the University of Bristol's chemistry department, and like the Mirror Maze, it's free and open to the public. Inside is a bell which tolls between 150 to 200 times a day at random intervals. It's called the Extinction Bell, and each toll represents the loss of a species across the planet. A beautiful spot for much darker, more complex contemplation. Typical Bristol. Number 3. The Twisted Sculptures by Chinneck.
If you want a cheesy photo, come to Cheese Lane.
You know that feeling when you think reality's broken? Hello! Chinneck's work bends, warps and twists traditional British objects that would have once been the cornerstone of Great Britain's streets. It's like a glitch in the Matrix. While you're there, check out Jimi Hendrix by David Blatch on the side of the Bridge Inn. Number 4. Bristol's own Leaning Tower. Move over Pisa. Temple Church recently reopened to the public and is yet to be explored by many Bristolians. The Leaning Tower and walls of this large medieval church survived bombing during the Second World War. While most of the church was lost during the war, it wasn't the bomb damage that caused the tower to lean. Like the tower in Pisa, it was unintentionally built that way due to subsidence. If you like the t-shirt I'm wearing in this scene, you can grab your own from thebristolshop.co.uk. It's my online marketplace dedicated to supporting local artists where you can shop all things Bristol. Gert Lash. Temple Church is so called because the original church here was built by the Knights Templar. Their round church was later replaced with a more spacious rectangular one, but the shape of the original church is marked out in the ground, which is pretty cool. Okay, this isn't technically in my top 5, but while you're here, it's a great idea to wet your whistle in the King's Head. It's a Grade 2 listed pub built in the 17th century and now serves some of the city's finest local ales, ciders and spirits. If you can, enjoy a drink in the tramcar bar, a snug that was added in the late 19th or early 20th century. Number 5. The Giant's Cave. Moving on to one of Bristol's quirkiest legends, the Giant's Cave at Clifton Observatory. You know the Avon Gorge, but have you stood halfway down the gorge inside a cave? This respectable looking tower is Clifton Observatory, and while you can visit for incredible views of the suspension bridge and a rare example of a camera obscura, this remarkable structure sits on something much more mysterious. For just a couple of pounds, you can descend into the depths of the gorge through a man-made narrow tunnel, and suddenly, bam, you're standing on a ledge halfway down the gorge. The view is incredible, and the cave itself has this mysterious edge that feels straight out of a fantasy novel. The Giant's Cave at Clifton Observatory is part history, part legend, and all kinds of weird. This spot's tied to the legend of Jerram and Geeston, two giants who supposedly shaped the gorge itself. And there you have it, 6 of the weirdest and most wonderful things to do right here in Bristol. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these, or if there's a hidden gem I should explore. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button. We're just getting started with Bristol's best kept secrets.